Asylum seekers in San Antonio were sent to Massachusetts with false promises of housing and jobs. This is the recent stunt by Governor DeSantis from Florida, organizing private flights to take asylum seekers from San Antonio to Massachusetts. In this video, I'll tell you exactly what's happening in this trend of Republican governments using immigrants to advance their own political agenda. If you're interested in this topic, I'll see you on the other side. In this video, we'll talk about the recent stunt from Governor DeSantis sending asylum seekers from San Antonio to Massachusetts in private planes and then sending them to Martha's Vineyard without any jobs, without any housing, just dumping them there. Before we talk about this trend of Republican governments doing that to immigrants, make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. And also remember, in the comments, there are a lot of fake accounts that are posting phone numbers for you to call them for consultations. The only phone number that you can call if you need my help is this one here, 619-483-4549. Our account is also verified, so you can check for that as well. Don't fall in the trap. Don't text any other number except from this number if you need my help. All right, let's move into the video. So essentially, this incident that just happened a few days ago involved asylum seekers. Those are people that are fleeing disaster and dangerous situations in their home countries, arriving to the United States, claiming asylum lawfully. They were allowed into the United States and now they're pending asylum. They have paperwork showing that they're pending asylum. Those immigrants that were sitting in San Antonio, they were lured by fake promises organized by Governor DeSantis, chartered private planes to fly them to Massachusetts. They promised them jobs and housing. Instead, they were dumped on the island of Martha's Vineyard and left there with nothing. No jobs, no housing. Of course, the communities there are now helping them, trying to assimilate and do whatever they can. There's a lot of volunteers that are doing that, but it's just very disappointing and concerning that these governors are doing that to advance their own political agenda. This trend was started by Governor Abbott from Texas, who was busing immigrants from Texas to New York. This is a trend where these governors are sending migrants from their states to Democratic states by making some kind of a statement or a point showing that these unlawful immigrants should not be in our states and they should be in democratic-led states. Well, this is unconstitutional, and we're hoping that some litigation is going to start right now against these governors. Now, let's understand a few things, and it's important for those of you watching this video to know that this is a political stunt. It's a political stunt at an expense of asylum seekers, vulnerable people that already went through so much on their way to the United States, fleeing danger, risk to their lives, arriving to the United States, and now they're treated like that. This is completely appalling. Also, for those of you watching this video saying, well, they're just illegal immigrants. They are asylum seekers. They've done nothing wrong. They came to the United States, they were allowed in, they went through the legal process of claiming asylum, and now they're waiting for their case to be processed in court. While they were doing that, lawfully waiting here for their asylum hearing, they were lured by false promises, playing on their vulnerability to take those flights and go wherever they were told they're supposed to be going. As you know, asylum cases take long. They can take sometimes years. These governors are telling these asylum seekers that if they go to different states, their cases are going to be processed faster. These are complete lies. They just want to get them out of their states, and this is not legal. This situation made it clear that the federal government needs to invest in better infrastructure to allow asylum seekers to go through the process in a safe, protected way without being shuffled from one state to another. The government should be helping these migrants to find jobs, cost-effective housing, while they're waiting for their court hearings. Many of these asylum seekers are going to be able to get work permits, and they're going to be allowed to work legally here while they're waiting for their court proceedings. These people are immigrants that moved to the United States under lawful procedures, under our asylum system, and therefore treating them like that is unconstitutional, it's illegal, and it's inhumane. So hopefully those of you watching this video can share it with other people. Let's spread the word that this is not right, that this is un-American, and we have to do better. So these governors should be ashamed of themselves. Let me know in the comments what you think. I just felt so angry after I read this report that I wanted to make this video to bring awareness to the fact that these people are not just unlawful immigrants. They're here because they're fleeing persecution. They're going through a legal asylum process. They're allowed to be here for the moment, and lying to them, sending them from one place to another with false hopes is wrong. it's illegal, and it's inhumane. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.